Okay, I took a Sunday morning to smell like onions, so I can chop them and turn these green onions into green onion powder. Wash your green onions. We're going to give them a quick dry. Chop it up. Put it on a dehydrated tray. Okay, into the dehydrator. Alright, feel around, make sure everything is nice and brittle. Now let's put this into the blender. Okay. So you could leave your green onions like this and vacuum seal it in a mason jar. Which now I'm thinking, is that what I want to do, or do I want to turn it into a powder? I think since I already got it in the blender, I'm going to go ahead and turn it into a powder. All right, so into a blender. Look how beautiful. Now I have fresh green onion powder to use, just like I would use my granulated onion powder, except it's green onion. Now, of course, you can grind this to a real fine powder. I like texture. Just like I like to buy granulated onion powder, I'm going to have more of a coarse green onion powder like I would have my granulated powder. Maybe a little more coarser, but it does depend on your blender. But y'all, beautiful green color. So happy about this.